Unlocking the target. Understanding, score a bullseye in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's not only popular in English but also rich in imagery and meaning. Score a bullseye. Whether you're an English language learner aiming to polish your idiomatic expressions or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. Let's hit the target together and discover the significance of this phrase. At its most basic level, score a bullseye refers to the act of hitting the very center of a target in archery, darts, or similar precision sports. The bullseye is the centermost point, and scoring it is often the highest achievement in these games, signifying perfect accuracy and skill. This literal meaning lays the foundation for its more figurative uses in the English language, symbolizing precision, excellence, and achieving the best possible outcome. When we move beyond the literal sense, score a bullseye takes on a broader significance. It's used metaphorically to describe achieving an exact goal or achieving success in a way that is considered perfect or very close to perfect. This can apply to various contexts, from business achievements, personal goals, to making accurate statements or predictions. It encapsulates the essence of hitting the mark perfectly in any scenario. To give you a better grasp, let's look at some examples of how score a bullseye can be used in everyday English. In business, our new advertising campaign scored a bullseye, increasing our sales significantly. In personal achievements, after years of hard work, finally getting that promotion felt like scoring a bullseye. In conversation, when she guessed the surprise party theme, she really scored a bullseye. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, adept at capturing moments of triumph across different aspects of life. Score a bullseye is more than just a term from the world of sports. It's a vivid expression of success, precision, and achieving exactly what you set out to do. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the richness of this phrase. Remember, learning a language is like hitting a series of bullseyes. Each new phrase and idiom gets you closer to the center of language mastery. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning, and keep aiming for those bullseyes in your English language journey.